Hey guys, it's Natasha and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to it if this is your first time watching. Today we have a whole bunch of errands that we're gonna go run. We have a present for bday at my apartment. So it's his birthday present. It's like 2 months late. It's fine. And we are going to go check out some rugs. We're gonna go pick out some paint for a fun paint job that I have for Bay's room, and maybe we'll hit up a thrift store, who knows. All right, let's get into it. Guys, okay, so the rug store was a bust because the last time we were there, they were having like a huge closeout sale, and so that was like several months ago, and so now they no longer exist. So that's unfortunate because I'm not gonna get a cute, colorful rug like I wanted, but that's okay. On to the next thing. And we're very excited. All right, here we go. Do you know what it is? You do, because I told you what it is.
I do.
Look, packing peanuts!
My favorite. Wow, it's a bowling ball.
It's very exciting. But actually, I think these are really inefficient for the environment. So don't use packing peanuts, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this is a replica of a really cool chess set that Philip saw while he was in Europe. Being the sweet boy he was, he took his mom to Europe on an all expenses paid trip, and he sent me a postcard with the king on it, as you can see here. And it just was so cute, and I knew that he was really going to get into chess. I just kind of had a feeling. So I went ahead and I ordered this handmade chess set all the way from England, and here it is in its true form. It looks really good. Ignore the really crappy chessboard. The chessboard, a nice one, will come eventually. I hope. This was really expensive. And here's us just playing chess. So we made it to Goodwill, and a couple of the places that we always check out are the furniture areas, the lighting, and the frames, as well as the front area where all the watches are kept, because you never know what goodies you're going to find. Then we tend to move on to clothes, which are a little bit more of a treasure hunt. So a pro tip is if you are at Goodwill and you can find the electronics section in the back, they almost always have a good set of speakers. These speakers right here, we actually picked up and gave to my dad. So while I'm shopping, I try to keep an open mind because I don't ever know what I'm really going to find, but occasionally I have one or two things on my mind that I'm really looking for. In this case, I was looking for some cute pants, quirky pants, and I found them right here. As you can see, these gorgeous floral pants are everything. And then I also was looking for a cute pleated skirt. I didn't really care what color. I love that schoolgirl style. And there it is. You can see it. I found it. So I did really love the eyelet detailing on this dress, but I'm only 5'2" and I didn't feel like it would look good, so I put it back. It's a little too long for me. It's so cute. I mean, look at this lace detail here, but unfortunately, we have a bit of an issue. We got some, could have been a good find. Sad. Love the colors on this. We are taking this home. Yay, mine. So here you see me losing it over this absolutely immaculate jacket. I'm obsessed. It's this gorgeous lavender color. Oh, that's so cool. I feel like it's actually the right length for my kind of short arms. Actually, no.
Okay. Okay.
What?
A lot of excitement.
This is so cool. I don't have anything like this.
I like it.
I was so unbelievably sad that this didn't fit. I love this cute baby doll little romper-esque dress. I can't help it. I like velvet and I like this color. It's literally what I'm wearing. I have a problem. Overall, I feel like this trip was super successful. And we thought we were going to go to Home Depot later in the day, but we didn't end up doing that. So stay tuned for a try-on haul. We got some big ass speakers and a fun rug and a jacket and some other goodies. So as promised, here is my try-on haul, and I was a little bit nervous to film this just because I'm not the skinniest person in the world, but I really wanted to represent all different types of body shapes here on YouTube. So as you can see here, I went ahead and paired that beautiful black pleated skirt with this gorgeous lavender jacket that I was so excited about, and I'm just so happy. And I also happened to find this Fjallraven backpack while I was at Buffalo Exchange the other day. I also picked up this gorgeous velvet skirt, midi length. It's just so pretty, it's so shiny, and I just love the pattern on it, and I feel like this would be such a beautiful holiday look. And here I am rocking those awesome, gorgeous floral pants in kind of a business casual sort of look. And right there I'm saying you should hire me because I've been looking for a job for quite some time. Thank you, COVID. So this next dress I'm pretty sure is a piece of lingerie, but I would just wear it out. I've been told that that's fine these days. Who cares? Nothing matters. But this dress really does just make me feel so beautiful and so sensual. And this last outfit I love, gives me best dressed vibes. I feel like such a powerhouse in this. I picked up this super interesting sweater that I couldn't tell if it was ugly or not, and paired it with this cute corduroy thrifted jacket. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.